Hi, welcome to the channel. This is Audi TT 2013 model. Basically, customer said warning light on at the dashboard for the airbags. He found like you online YouTube channel. Basically, he called me and he came for a diagnostic and repair. First of all, I'll show you how am I going to do the diagnostic. I already start the car.
Car giveaway alert! We're nearly at 50,000 subscribers. That's right, we're giving away a car, completely free, to one of you. If you are in UK, all you need to do is subscribe us and stay tuned.
Like this problem, we need a computer support for the first of all identify the problem. Let's do together. You can see at the dashboard airbag light on, other one for the seat belt is not a problem. That's a problem at the moment vehicle has. I'm going to take a computer report, airbag section SRS. Right, this is the faulty code 01221, crash sensor side airbag driver side G179 open circuit. They talk about the something not right in this side crash sensor. Basically what happened, there is a special sensor when someone hit your side airbag blow, and all details take from this sensor. But however, like this problem, by my experience, 90% that sensor won't any fault, because some garages change after that they couldn't figure out what's the problem. Some customers came to me and find out what's going on. By my experience, at the moment I'm not going to open this cover. I'm going to leave it this cover as it is. I'll show you most common problem. Right, switch off the car first. You can see this wiring harness. Have a look. When I close the door, it's cosh. See, it's cosh. When I open, again stage. What happened continuously, this boot cosh open. If you're doing from 2013 to now, 90% something not right here. What I'm going to do, I will open the boot and have a look what's going on. When you work with electrical side, better to disconnect battery negative line. But however, I'm not disconnect because I know what am I doing exactly. But if you're not sure, better to remove the negative connector according to the book. That's a good safety features we have to apply. But however, in my case, I already switch off the ignition, then the no power connectivity to the door. Because of that, I'm happy to do the job without removing battery terminal. Right, next step, I need to open from here. When you using sharp thing like that, do it very gently. Otherwise, you can use like a trim tool, plastic, it won't any damage. But however, I will using my flat screwdriver very gently manner. I'm going to open this side also well. I think I got the answer. Wow. Can you see? One, two, three. Three wires broken. Right. So I use my experience. Normally, many garages need to open this panel and spend time and time and time to the find out the problem. But I bypass this unit and I use my experience and went to straight spot on. Right. Basically, now we know the problem. We can do two things. First one, we can amend the wires as a temporary purpose, because when it amend, it's again same position, bend open, same thing can happen again. At the moment, I will temporarily fix and hand over car as it is to the customer. Then we know exactly the problem. If some reason, if it come back, we need to change whole wiring loom, because when I going to change whole wiring loom, is bit expensive, and same time customer has to pay huge money for the this problem. But we'll try. It's not any harm. It's bit cheaper. If it work longer, we all happy. I'm happy, customer happy. I don't want to add unnecessary part into the car. That's why people like me, what I'm doing. Yeah, we'll try that way and we'll see what's going on. First of all, I'll try to open as much I can that boot, make a space, and I make it continuity with the wires, and I'll show you what I done. What I did, I'll remove this connector. Basically it sit on here. You can't press anything here. What you need to do, there is a side pin here. You can see this clip. This clip need to press. What we can do, we can put the finger behind the panel like this, behind, and twist this tab and pull out. It will come out. Right. Basically I thought I have enough space for the do the wiring here. Actually we don't have enough space. We need to remove inside and take a more spaces. So what I did, I fly out this one. It's holding it like this clips. After that, one screw under knee here, straight underneath here, and another one screw underneath here. I already removed that too. Then after that, we need to take out the panel. Right, little bit pull, it will come out. Okay, now I can lift up from here, lift up from there. Right. Okay. Right. Next step, I need to disconnect this clip from the here, pull out. Right, after that we can disconnect from here. Fine, and this clip need to disconnect. We need to press in this tab in. Right, after that we can disconnect this cover. Right. Yeah, normally the faulty came for the this sensor. This is the pressure sensor, but however we are not worried about the that sensor, because we found the something not right with the wiring loom. Yeah, however I need to disconnect this speaker. Right, now we can remove the speaker. Right, when I remove from here, we can get more spaces for the wire. Okay, I'll remove this clip from here. Right. As a theory, now we can take out the little bit more out. Right. Now we got the enough space. Right. Now we know exactly what we are doing. Basically, three wires broken, but I can't connect as should be. I need to add tiny extension for the whole wires, otherwise when you pull the wires it will break again. Okay, then let's go one by one. Yeah, we done the amendment. We put the like this sleeve inside. There is the soldering thingy here. It will melt. Yeah, right. Done the amendment. Right. Next step, I need to everything leave it together, make it strong, because this one always open and close. Because of that, I need to everything make it together to get more, what you call, the strong. Don't make it too big, otherwise you can't put the boot on. Right. Okay, now we can slide in and we can connect here and have a look what's going on for the job. Right, it's in. Right. Okay, I'm going to leave it everything as it is. I'm not touch anything at the moment. I'm not installing the covers. I need to start the car and have a look what happened to the airbag light. Boom. Even I didn't use the computer, that airbag light disappeared. Yeah, if it disappeared mean I'm success. So next step, I'm install everything as should be, then after that we are fine. So I'll try to leave it the door cart as it is and save in time, but unfortunately I couldn't make it. Anyway, finally we got the answer. If you have a like this problem, you know what to do, where you want to start. So thanks for watching. Also, I have a giveaway. When I get 50,000 subscribers for this channel, I'll plan to give away Euler's free car, 53 plate Euler's free. You can use in the London. If you someone in the locally in UK, you are entitled to the draw. However, you need to subscribe and press bell icon all and follow my channels. I will update step by step what's going on and what happened. When I get the 50,000 subscribers, might be you are the winner. Thanks for watching. If you have any question, comment, suggestion, please mention below. I'll come back to you. See you with the next video.